YouTube? What up, man? How's everybody doing today, man? Yep, this exact same route I take every day when I'm going to work. On Friday, took my brother to the University of Virginia. Shout out to him for attending one of the best schools in Virginia. Very proud of him. One of the most genuine and honest and one of the smartest kids I have ever known. And I'm not just saying that because he's my younger brother, but because goddamn, the kid is a genius. So shout out to him and big ups to him. Yo, we better go on a ride. Yeah, buddy. What up, my brother? What up? Yo, what's good? Yeah, yo, we got the Ducati 848, the ZX6R, and the 750.
Run.
What's up? If you want, son.
Stop saying that, man.
Run.
I got his ass. Oh shit. Yeah. Yo, his bike is so loud, man. What the hell?
You like the way that sounds? Little Jimmy Jackson is jacking up his Bronco. He's gonna lay a little rubber later on at the truck.
Yo, people haven't seen a combo like this before.
I know, really. It's like completely opposite.
I know. They're probably like, what the hell's going on right now?
They see behind me, they're like, are they together? Or
Yeah.
like one behind the other?